Hello, and now let me go into the working of the program. So this is the folder where I have saved my file enginedata.py, and this is a PDF file. This contains the ebook that was provided by the Skill-Lync, and here we have an image, and here is a valid file, converge file. There is the converge release, column numbers, the properties, and then data points. You can see there are 17 columns. So this is a valid converge file. Now I have created another file, non-converge file. I have deleted the converge word from it and written anything like diverge. So this is a non-valid file based on the parameters I have put in my program. And another file which is basically the same, it also has the converge, but I have added few data points in the 18th column. I have added 18th column. So now let's run the program. So basically, let me zoom in. So now enter the name of the converge data file. So let's input a file which doesn't exist in the current folder, say any file .out. So now it's showing me no such file exists. So now I have to enter another converge file. So I have to press Y. Now enter the name of the converge file. Now let's enter the PDF file, engine.pdf. So again, it's an invalid file. So let's say I write something engine.out. Again, this is invalid input. I have to enter either Y or N in upper or lower case. So Y. So now let's enter the image, image.png. That's the name, I guess. Yeah. So you have entered an invalid or corrupt file. Yes, I want to continue. Now let's go to the non-converge.out. Again, it's showing me that it's an invalid or corrupt file. So yes, continue. Now enginedata.out. This is a valid file. So now you can see there's the current file and the version release, and now it's showing me the values that I have to input. These are the column numbers for various properties. So now please enter the column number. Say I write 1. So it's prompting me to enter a number between 1 and 17 only based on these values. So suppose I enter 1. Now it's showing me you have selected the crank. Now let me go for the volume. This is 8. So this is the plot that was generated by the program. You have the crank, volume, labels, title. It was automatically created. So now press R to rerun. So if I want to rerun the program with the same file, so I would have to enter R. So again, and now I don't have to enter the file again. It's working in the last file. So now let's say I have to enter pressure volume plot. So where's the pressure? 2, and volume is 8. So see, the thing is that in PV plot the volume goes along the x-axis and pressure along the y-axis. So here I entered it in the reverse order. So this is the plot that I got. So now let me go to home. Yes, I want to continue. Enter a new file. Enter the name of the converge engine data file. So what was the name of the file? Alright, extra, no, it was more columns dot out. Here see, I had added another column. So here I have that column 18, but let's see if I can plot 18. No, invalid number, accepted values 1 to 17 only. even though it was able to create another folder here, I mean another column here, but we cannot plot that. Any column greater than 17 is not acceptable. So now let me plot the PV plot correctly this time. So along x-axis goes volume, showing me volume, and along y-axis it's the pressure. So now we have the right PV plot, which is an auto cycle. Alright, so now I will go to home and exit the program. So the program exited. So previously this folder was not there, but it got created when we plotted. Right, this is the main folder, this is the subfolder, and these are the plots that we generated from the program. Alright, thank you.